Hello, ladies and peoples. My name is Emil. I am the singer of the world famous Friezen rock group the Hûnekop. And a lot of time I get the questions, do you also send merchandising to other countries? And I always said no, but now we do. We have a new website called Fryslân worldwide, and we do shipping all over the world, even to the Netherlands. And we got a lot of cool merchandising, like these Canadian Friezen hats, or we got Hûnekop merchandising and Friezen merchandising, or shirts that say straight out of Fryslân and stuff like that. We also have very big sizes for the fat people in America, but we also have very small sizes for the very small people in China. So please have a little look around on fryslânworldwide.com, and also tag your uncle that immigrated to Canada to be a farmer, or maybe you have family in Texas or something, or Australia or something like that. We do worldwide shipping, so tag everybody you know and the Friezen om utens. End of message.